Good morning, students. Okay, so today we are going to learn about purchase day book. So purchase day book is also known as purchase journal. Okay, it is also known as book. It is also a subsidiary book, a type of subsidiary book. Okay, and it is also known as book of original entry. Okay, so what is the purpose of purchase day book? The purpose of purchase day book is to record all the credit purchases of the business. Okay, those are meant for resale. Okay, so those goods which are purchased in a business on credit and it is meant for resale means those goods which are on which or in which the business is dealing in. Okay, those goods when it is purchased in the business on credit and it is meant for resale purpose, those are to be recorded in purchase day book. Okay, it does not record any cash purchase transaction, so no cash purchase transaction is recorded in purchase day book. Will you remember? So it is a purchase journal, it is a type of subsidiary book, and it is a book of original entry. Okay, and its purpose is to record all the credit purchases of the business that are meant for resale. Okay, means those goods which are the business is dealing in. Okay, and those okay on which are meant for resale purpose of the business, and it does not record any cash purchase transaction. Got it? Now come here, I have taken a short illustration. You see here I have taken a short illustration on purchase day book. Okay, it's 2009 February 1. You have to prepare purchase day book of Messrs. Chawla. Okay, so purchased from Brown and Company on credit. Okay, it's a credit purchase from Brown and Company. 5 pencils at the rate rupees 10 per pencil and 1 dozen register at the rate rupees 24 per register. And there is a trade discount at the rate 10%. So this entry will come in the purchase day book. Okay, and see on the 2nd February there is a purchase for cash from the stationery mart. Okay, it's a cash purchase of goods, okay, on which the business is dealing in, but it's a cash purchase, so it will not come in the purchase day book. Okay, so just make a cross mark over here. Okay, then you have then see on February 3. Okay, there is a purchase of typewriter for office use from Messrs. Ram Goods Company on credit. So typewriter, it is a kind of asset which is purchased from Messrs. Ram. Okay, so it's a kind of asset. So asset which are used for office use, which are brought for office use, will not be recorded in the purchase day book. It's a type of an asset, so it should not be recorded in the in the uh, in the purchase day book. Okay, so only here you see the last transaction purchased on credit from the paper company, 5 reams of white paper at the rate rupees 10 per ream and 10 reams of ruled paper at the rate rupees 15 per ream. So less trade discount at the rate 10%. So these are goods, okay, which are purchased, okay, and in these goods the business is dealing in. Okay, and there is a deduction of 10%, okay, on trade discount. Okay, and there is no cash purchase, so this transaction will come. So only these two transactions, okay, that is February 1 transaction purchased from Brown and Company on credit and February 4th transaction purchased on credit from the paper company, okay, will come. Okay, so just write down. Here you see I have prepared the purchase day book. Okay, date, particulars, invoice number column, ledger folio column, details in rupees and amount in rupees. Okay, so just put down the dates. It is 2009 February 1. Okay, so purchased from Brown and Company. So just write down the name. Brown and Company. 5 pencils at the rate rupees 10 per pencil. So write 5 pencils at the rate rupees 10. So 5 into 10, okay, you will get rupees 50. And here you see 1 dozen register at the rate rupees 24 per register. Okay, so it will be okay, so in 1 dozen, okay, you see 1 dozen register means you have 12 registers. Okay, so 1 dozen register at the rate rupees 24. Okay, so here you see at the rate rupees 24. Okay, so 1 dozen means how much it is? 20. You see here 24 into 12, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, into 4 1s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 8 8 2. So it is 288. It is 288. So how much you get? 8, okay, 8 9 10 11 12 13, 3. Okay, 3. So then you have trade discount. Okay, so it is less 10% trade discount. Okay, so 10% of this is how much? You see here 10 by 100 into 338. Okay, so you will get here 0 0 cancel. Okay, 338 divided by 10, you will get 33.8. Okay, so 33.8 means you take it as 34. Okay, now if you deduct, how much you will get? It's 4, okay, and 0 and then 3. Okay, 4 then 0 then 3. Got it? So next is how, okay, this transaction is over. Okay, on February 4, purchased on credit from the paper company. Okay, so you just write down February 4, okay, from the paper company. Five reams of white paper at the rate rupees 10 per ream. Okay, so write 5 reams at the rate rupees 10 per ream. Okay, so 10 5s are 50. Okay, 50 you have got. And here it is 10 reams of ruled paper at the rate rupees 15 per ream. Okay, so 10 into 15, you just write here 10 reams of white paper at the rate rupees 15 per ream. So how much you get? 150. Okay, so you will get here 200. Less 10% trade discount. %10 of this is it's 20. Okay, how much you get? 10 by 100 into 200, so you will get 0 cancel, it's 20. So when you deduct 20 from 200, you will get 180. Okay, 180. So write 4, 8, okay, then 3, 4, 8, 4. Okay, so this is the total 484. Okay, this is the total expense of the business. Okay, expense not, these are liabilities because credit purchase. Okay, so if credit purchase is done, this is a liability for the business. Okay, it should be paid to the purchaser, this one seller. Okay, so I hope you have understood what is purchase day book. Okay, please if you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.